We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. and it's done a complete transition from the rip area that it hit yesterday to a dip area today on 42 Vision. But COSM stock was not the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market in the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot since 7:06 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness now on 42 Vision, into the bell and after the bell, and put options went up 400% plus within hours, guys. And as you see there popping up on the screen, within the options chain, some options went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with COSM stock doing the complete transition, and in today's video we're going to break down what the CEO has been doing and what he did before all of this pullback here in reverse split. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So our home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator since 7:50 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, continuation of weakness into the bell and after the bell on 42 Vision, and put options went up 300% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see popping up there on the screen, on the options chain, some options went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. doing a full transition, as I stated earlier in the video, from bright green bars to white with red borders. Bright green bars is the rip area. This is the dip area here at white with red borders. And previously we had jumped from red bars all the way up to the bright green from December 20th to the 21st here. And if it's your first time across the channel, this is 42 Vision. It allows us to see the dips to the rips and the rips to the dips. And we also see where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. We also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators, getting connected over to the bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with COSM stock Cosmos Health Inc. under a bear indicator, and the outflows dominating again, right? They crossed back down, and the last time they crossed over was on December 19th when it was way up here at $10. Now it brought itself back up. The offering closed out yesterday, right? This is the offering that happened that created that pullback from Monday into Tuesday, as you see it popping up here on the screen. And the CEO himself was voting this with the shareholders. Now, I talked about my opinions and perspective before when the CEO was purchasing at around 62 cents. And the only thing that came to mind was either he sees value here at these levels, or he's buying for more purchasing power before the reverse split for the possibility of a reverse split to save the company from delisting and also going to zero. And here it is, a reverse split. The stock took off. It seems like shorts covered there because that was a big run. Some people are speculating it hasn't happened. I'm just sharing my opinion and perspective alone. I could be wrong and not financial advice. And then things pulled back after an offering, and then they started to run back up into yesterday once the offering closed. And here we are now back into a bear indicator, and we need to watch these key levels here within the charts. Now, I did see a lot of speculation yesterday coming out talking about the CEO purchased again. I saw it in my comments in my videos, and here it is. He actually did purchase, and this actually filed yesterday, or at least was released yesterday after filing and going public. And here it is. He bought at 1150, guys, at 1150. And when you do the math there and you divide that by the split numbers, that brings us back to around that value of about 30 to 40 cent range before the split. So he's purchasing at these higher levels than 12 cents, like 60 cents, 30 cents, 12 cents, all these other areas. He sees some value even after the split. That says something, right? He could have sold on these dates and he didn't. He could sell right now, but he probably sees something bigger, right? In the long term, or what else, right? More voting power, more offering power. I'm not sure what it is he's trying to do, but a lot of people are speculating different things. Right now, before the reverse split, when it was below $1, the only thing I could think of was he was purchasing because he sees value or more voting power for a possible reverse split. But now after the reverse split, the only thing I can think of is he sees value, right? Or he just wants more voting power just in case there needs to be more offerings or another reverse split in the future. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, but all of this is very interesting. Even though the stock is below those levels now, he is purchasing at higher levels, seeing some type of value there. If not, why else, right? So here we are with the bear indicator, full transition here on 42 Vision, and outflows dominating. I'm going to share with you guys what I would watch here. The first thing is that these inflows pick back up on the 30-minute and also here on the 15-minute, guys. I would watch for these inflows to turn green on multiple time frames. So far, the 15-minute is green, but to cross back over that midpoint, go to the upside, cancel out that bear indicator, and start that staircase effect to the upside, breaking through resistance levels on the 15-minute time frame. And if it could pull up the 30-minute with it, cancel out that bear indicator. And here on the 1 hour, you could see that outflows crossed as well. And right now, this bear indicator from up here at 1397 has been holding true in the bigger picture. No bull indicator, and we're back to red bars. So right now in the bigger picture though, from this big dip here to the 5 and 6 area, it is still slightly above with that staircase effect, but it is pulling back down to retest it. And if the weakness continues and these outflows continue, it could continue to reflect into the chart to the downside, right? Not guaranteeing that it will, but something to not overlook. Now, the key levels that I would watch is support here. The first support is where that bull indicator popped up at 659, 660. And to the upside, the first resistance is right around this bear indicator at $8, guys. I would watch 750 within a tight range and see how it reacts above $8 if it can break through that next resistance, and how these inflows react going up above the midpoint and to the upside, and if a bull indicator in the process can pop up to cancel this bear indicator, as a full transition has happened here on the 30-minute and also on the 15-minute. As we zoom back in here within the volatility, we've hit 2 dip areas. So it's going to need strength in these inflows to cross over in multiple time frames. And I would watch for those bull indicators. And on that 1 hour as well, if it could start to actually bring itself back up towards the midpoint, even if it doesn't cross it. But if it could cross it, well, the last time it did was back here on December 20th. And you could see how it brought itself up from the 650s to the $9 range. Not guaranteed to, but not something to overlook as well and keep in mind. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.